Hope this is picking me up well enough so you guys can hear me. Doing a quick test. I'm a little bit stuffy, so please forgive me. I'm going to be sitting up here and knocking out some videos for the tool review portion of my channel. I know that I haven't really done much in that realm since the height adjustment tool for the router table. What I've done is I've made a couple more videos about unboxing some of the tools that I recently got from Home Depot, from the Ryobi section of tools. I got a battery combination set, and I also picked up a 1/2-inch impact wrench at the same time. So I've done a quick unboxing and review on that. Quick review. No real test of like capability or whatever, but charge time out of the box and just some of the different features and how the speeds in that on the impact wrench. Those videos I'm going to be editing very shortly, and I'll be putting up on the channel. I wanted you to know that we're going to be changing things up on the channel and the type of information that's up there in combination with my Renoventor channel. Renoventor was intended to be more of a kind of what the Hack Shack was meant to be initially, or what it is now. The Hack Shack is kind of everything in the King of the Apocalypse type way of life, that anything can become something else if you have the will or the time and the necessity to make it so. So that's part of the adventure that I want to be able to take at Sparky's Hack Shack. And the Renoventor piece, I think, is really set up more for the creative products, creative production and development that that I want to be able to present and create. So like the taco video, that would be probably showing up over on Renoventor as opposed to here on Hack Shack. Also, so the creative stuff like the wedding video and my Colorado hunting trip and the commercial portion for that, for their ranch, that would be placed on the Renoventor channel. So those creative endeavors that I'll be working on, that's where that'll go. The discussions about technology, the reviews about hardware, the testing of software, how it all fits together and how we use it to make new creative things in a hack and mod or evaluate the capability of something. That's going to be Hack Shack centric. I think it's going to be the core piece. So I hope this makes sense. I hope you can hear me. I got to get to work and get to these videos put together. But yeah, good morning. Happy Saturday morning. Hope you guys are feeling great, doing well, and are blessed. So take care. We'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye. What's up, guys? Sparky here. I hope this is picking you up so I can hear you. Yeah, that's not how this works.